Hey, digital media, here is what we're going to do for today. For this week, you are going to film and you're going to plan and film and create and edit a video, an expectation versus reality video of e-learning. You have computers there that you can use. You can use your phone to film it as well. So if you have internet access at home, you can download the Google Drive app and you can upload your videos to Google Drive and edit it. If you think you can't film using your computer, another computer, or something like that, then you can draw a storyboard and do that for your expectation versus reality video. But I just want to show you really quick what we're doing today. Today we are just planning our videos, so let's get into it. So obviously you go to digital media, and here's the front page. This is going to look different because I'm going to put this video on the front page, but you go into today's lesson, and my computer's going really slow. And it just says here, you follow all the steps. I tried to write them in order, and I tried to put them so that they're easy to understand and in small chunks. Most of the questions that I get from you are, I think that you're worried or afraid to make the mistake. Just like in my class when we're in person, I need you to try and then we can update it, okay? So you can put stuff in there and then I can help. Don't say it doesn't work. Say, here's what I tried, or try something and then show me that it doesn't work. The goal is you're going to create a plan today for an expectation versus reality video of e-learning. It can be funny or it can be serious. I'm not looking for you to be the funniest person in the world. If you are, that's great. If not, that's okay. And I'll show you what I did. Mine's not that funny, but I tried to show you that it doesn't have to be. Your plan is going to have a main idea, and then when you do a description, remember we want to talk about the setting and the narration, which is the action and what happens and what people say. So here's the steps. You're going to follow these steps. Think about what your e-learning should look like what teachers want it to be. Think about a way that it might not go right. It can be funny if you want. It doesn't have to be. And then you're going to go to this document here. And then you will need to make a copy, and you know how to make a copy. Once you finish making the copy, I want you to go ahead and scroll to the bottom. There's the Mr. Sapp example. You can copy my main idea, but I want you to think about what I put here. And look, I misspelled. The main idea of the video is to show what I think e-learning should look like and what some of the challenges are to getting it done. Super simple, right? That's expectation versus reality. Okay, so the expectation, and this is all here, so the description is your new learning. This other information is just to help you. So the description, we want to list the kind of shot, what's happening, give the setting, and then the action. So I typed here, we begin with a wide shot of a student sitting at a table with their computer open. We see a close-up of the screen with the student clicking on Canvas and choosing their work. Then we see a medium shot of the student typing on the computer, and then we finish with a close-up of the student typing on the computer. So we can see all of those things. That's what we would see. So if you need to, close your eyes and imagine what e-learning would look like, and then just write first, second, third. If you want to make a list or whatever, do that. So then the reality, this is where the challenges are. And to me, I grew up with two brothers and they were both very annoying. So I thought, well, what would it be like for me? It would be if I were working, my two brothers would interrupt me, is what would happen. So what does that look like? So this is what I saw for the reality now, right here that you can see. The description, we see a wide shot of a student sitting at their table with their computer open. Then we see a close-up of the student's screen clicking on Canvas. Started just like the last one because that's how we planned to start. Next, we go to a medium shot of the student trying to start working, but a little brother or sister comes up to them. Then we see a close-up of the little brother asking for some cereal. Next, we see a wide shot of the student getting up to get the cereal. And then when they give their brother the cereal, the brother says, "No, I wanted another kind of cereal." And we see the student roll their eyes. It's not super funny, we all might kind of smirk at it because we all have brothers and sisters that can be annoying, right? So this is what you need to do today. You need to write down what the main idea is, and then you work on your description of the expectation. Just talk it out if you need to, like I did. I did my thinking where I talked about what it looks like, and then I just wrote down some simple things. Keep it simple. And then next, I talked about what the reality is. I thought about where things that don't go right, brother, sister, stuff like that. And then I typed it out. And that's all you need to do today. And then make sure you share it with me. It's not done until it's shared with me because I can't check your learning. But if you start there, then I can add comments to it. So if you see, I can click and then I can add a comment and I can ask you questions. All right. If you want, you can send me an email. We can do a Google Meet or Hangout, and then that way we could talk, and I can help you and walk you through that, and you can ask me questions. And always, you can send me an email, and my email's been trying to put that at the bottom. All right. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any problems.